Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very short podcast to show you. With the Christmas season, I have been crocheting my life away and I have no gifts to show because they have all been sent off to their people, which is good for me because that means that I got everything done that I wanted to get done, but it is bad for me because I have nothing to show you guys. So yeah. I do have 2 finished objects that I want to show and 2 works in progresses that I also want to show. And then that is it. Oh, brow straps. Ugh, God, it's okay. So, with that being said, I do want to thank all my returning subscribers for coming back today. Thank you guys just for watching consistently. I really appreciate it, even though I don't post consistently. Thank you. And then for all the new people who just happened to click on my video, my name is Kai. I am the host of the Crochet Corner podcast here on YouTube. I have all of my socials linked below, as well as show notes where you could find if you are wondering where that yarn is from that I got. All of that information is always linked below. So yes, I am coming to you today. It is Wednesday, December 23rd, so it is almost Christmas, and I just want to get a quick video out because I have been just doing like my Christmas crocheting, and I haven't really been working on anything else, and all of those gifts have gone out, which has been very exciting. Hydrate, y'all. And then so yeah, I haven't really been working on too much of my other stuff. I do plan on getting back into that, like getting the shawl done, which I wanted to get done by Christmas, and then my BonBon Cardigan, and then of course the other sock, because there's only one. So, with that being said, let's just hop right into it, and I will start with my finished objects. So, these are the 2 finished objects that I can show you. These are the sweaters I made. This one's for Joey. This one is for Oso because they are little dogs and they don't like going outside when it's cold. So I just crocheted them 2 sweaters from a pattern that I found off of YouTube, which I will link below if you would like to crochet your own. And it was just a really easy peasy process. This is actually inside out. Hold on, guys. It was a really easy process. It didn't take me more than an hour, so I did finish 2 of them in one day. And this is the exact same pattern that I used on the dog sweater that I made for my friend, but this one I just made a little bit longer to fit them. But yeah, you use the front post double crochets for the collar, then it's just regular double crochets. Then you do the feet holes, and then just a little bit to cover their belly, and then the rest to cover their back. So I did them in Christmas colors. For Joey and Oso, I usually try to stick with blues because I think it looks best on them. But I definitely wanted to try something new, so I just did them some nice colors. And they're not wearing them right now because I washed them, so I'll put them on them. Joey is actually here with us. Jojo and Oso. They're on the bed. And if my room wasn't a disgusting mess, I would totally show them. But my room is a disgusting mess, and I won't do myself like that on the internet. No, ma'am. I already be coming on here with hair wraps and bonnets, y'all. Like, I cannot show my room right now. It's just horrible, horrible, horrible. But yes, those are my 2 finished objects, and leading into a works in progress, I actually have their counterpart. I usually put all of my stuff on the bed, but since they're up here in my spines, I have to have it on the floor, but I have it in bags. So this is the sweater for Brody that I'm working on. Look, the hook is literally attached. I'm using a 5.5 millimeters hook. This is the one for Brody. It is the exact same pattern from the exact same lady. Well, it's not the same pattern. She definitely switches it up, but like I kind of figured out how to do it like those 2 because I didn't like the way that she kind of did it, which is terrible considering it's her pattern. But I digress. So I just been doing it how I wanted to do it, and I got past the armholes. Now I'm just crocheting some rows to cover his stomach to make sure that his stomach don't get cold, and then I will be ready to do the back. And I chose these beautiful blue colors because Brody usually has red, so I decided to go outside of his color palette and we decided to do blue. Both of these, this is just generic red heart, so like the white is red heart metallic in white, and then this is just red, and this one is the patty green, which will be in the description box below. The two blues that I'm using for Brody, I lost the thing. It was like, it just said like navy blue, and this one is this light blue, and it's called light periwinkle. It's the two colors that I chose for him. I am making Bella one. She just has to wait because I have been crocheting my life away. But I will show you guys the yarn I picked out for Bella. Because she's also going to get a sweater because she is a cutie pie and she deserves one too. So, yeah, we're at like 6 minutes. It's going to be so short, but that's okay. Okay, so the last whip that I want to show is just the BonBon Cardigan. I did get some progress on it. I have started the other sleeve. As you can see, I have it attached. I do need to get some more BonBon because, you know, I don't want to run out. And so I just started the sleeve on the other side. And what I had to do is I did have to sew up some more because what I sewed up wasn't enough and it was too big. So after I did that, I just started the sleeve. And it's just literally like 3 rows. I have 3 rows, but that's more than I had before. And then I can start working on filling out the front part with like a button band, and then if I want to attach a hood. So that's pretty much it. I have, like I said, I have been crocheting, but mainly for gifts, which have all been given it to the people they needed to go to, so they can just open them on Christmas. Sorry. Yes, they have been giving it to the people that they needed to go to so that they can be open on Christmas. And I'm very happy, but I should have at least taken pictures. Hold on, let me see. Let's see. No pictures. But here is also in the sweater. Let me find a good one. If you guys can see. I didn't get one of Joey. Oh yeah, I did. I got one of both of them. We're calling them Jingle is Joey and Jangle is also. They look like 2 bells. Jingle bells. But yes, oh, don't you start. Stop it. Okay, now you gotta get out. You saw them? Okay, you guys haven't seen Joey in a while. Come here. Come here, Joseph. So I'm going to show him to you. Oh, don't look at the mess in the background, please. Please don't look. Jojo, come here. Here he is. Oh, sorry guys. This is Joey. He looks like a ragamuffin. This is our old boy. He's like one of the oldest we have. He's like he's either 8 or 9 years old. And this is him. He's like, stop. This is Jojo. You want me to pick you up? Come here. Come here. And this is also, I know. Okay, so with also, he gets mad at easily, so I caught myself trying to cut him, so please don't roast him. I made him ugly. He didn't make himself ugly. This is also. But yeah, this is my baby. Okay, love you. But they want to go investigate the bark. That was Bella who barked like that. She always instigates it, even though there's nothing to be barking about. She gonna find a way to bark at it. So I'm gonna let them out. Just give me 1 moment. Okay, goodbye. Love you. Jasper. I'm gonna show you guys Jasper too. Come here, Spee. Hi. Come here, Spee. Can you see him? No. Spee. Come over here. Jaspy, come here. Come here. Up. Come here. I'm sorry, guys. He just doesn't want to be seen. He's camera shy. You gotta get up. Come here. Up. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here. Up. Come on. Okay, hold on, guys. I gotta do some heavy lifting. Oh, you're a big boy. Come on. This is Jasper. he keeps getting down. But yeah, that's Jasper. You didn't even see him. Speed. The people want to meet you. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna show this dog. Come here. Nope. Okay. We're not gonna mess with that. But that's the heavy breather. Okay, you gotta get out because you're noisy. Goodbye. Love you. Love you. Kiss ass. So yeah, that was all my dogs, which was totally irrelevant, but I just wanted to show you. And there's one more. Two more. Brody and Bella. Bella is the bark queen who instigates all the other dogs to bark. And then it's just like a big bark fest. Love her though. And Brody is our quiet boy. Our quiet but hype boy. Brody doesn't really bark unless he's like scared of the vacuum. Or like he wants to play with a toy. But he just will just all over the place. Hit you with this tail, but he don't bark. But he's the hype. He is like the most excited out of everyone, but he doesn't bark. It's really weird. In my opinion, it's weird. Because Bella will lay down and she'll be like, bark, 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 like so lazily. And Brody will be like, well, what's that? But he'll just be like bouncing all over the place, but he won't say a thing. Just be all ping, 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 just all over the place. Joey and Oso will bark and then they gotta go investigate. You saw how they like just ran down. And Speed will just be like, bark. And then go about his business. That's their personalities. Love them. I love them to death. But anyways, guys, that is all that I have to show you. I would like to say that I hope I'll have more next week. We just winging it. Oh, if you like my pajamas, I'm trying to hide these bra straps, but it's okay. It happens. I don't care. These are some pajamas that I got from Walmart. They have matching pants. They are literally the most comfortable and cozy things ever. And then me and my mom also got matching pajamas for Christmas Day for us two. And then we got our twins, which is my brother's twins. And then I am not their mama. I have to tell everybody every time I'm babysitting and every time I go out, I am not their mama. I ain't. But yeah, we got the twins matching outfits, and then we're gonna go pick up some pajamas for the other kids, which my brother's other kids, his girlfriend's kids, but they his kids now too. So we just got a lot of kids coming around here. So it's gonna be lit. We have so much planned for them. We're gonna decorate cookies. We're gonna make ornaments. We're gonna eat and be merry and drink and have a good Christmas in spite of the Miss Rona being alive and well, unfortunately. Usually we like to go to back home for Christmas and go visit my grandma, but we can't do that this year. Gotta protect her, protect ourselves, stay safe. We're not traveling, we're not doing nothing, just having the kids. We're gonna have Christmas and it'll be great. I got all the gifts that I needed to get. I am on it. Time, y'all. When I tell you that I finished all of my gifts crocheting, I did it, baby. So with that being said, that is all that I have to share with you all concerning crochet. I hope that you enjoyed this very short, very irrelevant video of like 4 things. And like I said, if you had any questions about what I showed you today, all of the yarn that I talked about will be in the description. I forgot to show you what I got for Bella. Oh, so this is what I'm doing for Bella. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Oh, hello. Come back, computer. Okay, so this is the yarn that I chose for Bella. It's all red heart. The stripes is called Berry Pulling, and this is just pink. It's shocking pink. But yeah. Alright. So I've rambled on enough. Thank you so much for watching today's episode. I really do appreciate all of our returning people and the new subscribers. Leave me a comment below if you want to talk to me. If not, go about your day and I'll be okay, even though I want to talk to you, but that's all right. I hope that you all have a very happy Christmas, or if you don't celebrate Christmas, just a happy holidays. Enjoy your day off from work if you are not working, and if you are working, stay safe and be blessed. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video.